Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Toto, Jamaican Toto. I have in my bowl half pound of butter and 2 cups of sugar. So I am going to 2 teaspoons vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon almond essence, 1/4 cup red label wine, the milk of 1 coconut, and I'm also going to put the coconut flakes in. So this is all of my wet ingredients. Mixing everything together. Three cups flour I have here. Half a teaspoon nutmeg. Half a teaspoon cinnamon. I'm putting a teaspoon baking powder, 1 heaped teaspoon baking powder. And I'm putting like a little bit of salt in there. This is about a half a teaspoon. You can put more salt if you wish, but I don't like a lot of salt. And I'm gonna be putting in the dry ingredients a little at a time and mixing. Adding more. And more. Put it in my baking dish now. Nice consistency. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Yeah, we are ready. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's already preheated to 375. There it is. Okay guys, the Toto is ready and I'm about to cut. delicious.